G'day everyone, it's Christo. What I'm doing here is I'm angling. This is where my shower is going, and I'm angling it from that width to nothing. But what I need to do is get the angle first and the height, which I have. So I've got that nice and level. That's nice and level. I'm the same distance out from the wall. 8/18. I've got to make it a little bit, I've got to take away a little bit of mud so I can fit it in after. So that is actually from there, that is my top point. From there it's got to go down to nothing. And then it miters across there. I like doing my linear drain this way because I reckon it looks nicer than sloping down. With a lot of young fellas, they slope it and they have a bit of aluminium there. I don't like that. I like it going from that width to nothing, and it's nicely sloping. It's the tile and it's all in line, all the lines line up, and it looks pretty damn professional. And that's what you want things to look professional. Is it a little bit more mucking around? Well, it doesn't take long. It doesn't take long at all. Doesn't take long at all, people. I want to start my slope from there. It's no sense in coming out a little. The water will probably only reach about here from the shower with my fall, but it's nice to just continue the line all the way. You'll see what I mean in a minute. I've got to go from there, that slope, down to there. There's another waste in the shower, but You know, where do you move it? Could have moved it over to here, but you know, like that was a waste for the shower there, but then you're standing right on that waste, so it didn't really need it. As long as there's a waste in the bathroom, that's cool. So what we're doing now is we're just going to slurry up this area. So we'll throw down a bit of water, throw down some glue, like so. Throw some mud in there, and then I can get my slope from there down to there, and then I can finish off my slope going that way. Once I've got this shower done, it's just a flat drag back out to my door. I'm starting to run out of room. You get that in bathrooms. Unless you mix it out in the garage and all that sort of thing and then hump it in. You can do that too. Well, that's not meant to happen. That's a brand new drill. Ooh! Far out. Look at that. Okay, well, I'll have to join that together. Lucky I got another drill. I'll just go out and get it. See ya. Well, that was a trap. That was a brand new drill. I just got to get that fixed. Oh, bummer. What must have happened was the button jammed. Brand new drill. Brand new mixer. Now I've got to get it fixed. Well, what can you do? Smile and carry on. This one starts off too slow. Not enough gut. Still, it's a mixer. Get that out of the road. I saved this one as a spare, and I need it a little bit sooner than I thought. I wouldn't have a clue about electrical, so I will take it to someone, or just put on another lead. All good. We'll see you soon.